Don't make your breakfast until you watch this video. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bose. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to turn your normal breakfast into something interesting. Let's go right into it. To make this, you will need just 4 ingredients. That's your fresh lettuce, your diced and deboned chicken, your mayonnaise, and also your boiled egg. All you have to do is in a bowl you mix your egg, and then after matching it, then you're going to add your other ingredients to it. Then you're going to go in with your deboned chicken and also your fresh lettuce. And lastly, you're going to go in with your mayonnaise and you're going to combine all ingredients together. After, in a pan, you go in with your oil. Then after that, you spread your oil across your pan and then you go in with your sliced bread. Note you can do this with any types of bread you want. And after that, you're going to spread your paste on it, just like the way I'm doing. Next step, you're going to cover it up like this. And then you're going to allow it to toast on low heat between 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you're going to flip it. You're going to flip it gently. That's how you're going to do all of your bread. And after that, you're going to allow it to toast on low heat between 1 to 2 minutes, and then you serve. This is so easy, right? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And mind you, you can try this with any kind of bread that you have. And also, you can serve this with either your juice, your smoothie, your tea, or your yogurt or your parfait, and this go right well with it. So let me know what you think, my sweet fingers lovers. Would you be recreating this recipe? And lastly, do not forget to watch our next video, comment on our videos, like, share for everybody, subscribe, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.